Hey guys, my name is Vladimir. I'm developer advocate in Waves and co-author of Certificado project. In this video, I will give you a quick workshop about blockchain use cases for business. And I will prove that blockchain right now is not only about crypto, but it's a powerful tool that will enable you to make a strong project based in blockchain, but not only about blockchain. For this, we will use key features of blockchain. There are three of them. First, transparent operations, then secure data storage and user-friendly mechanics, so you can easily transfer some assets or easily store some data in blockchain. That's a secure way of data storage because the data is stored like all over the world, as you see on the map. That's a map of Waves blockchain nodes. As you see, more than 300 computers at the same time store the same data all over the world, so it's a very secure way to store the data. And in this video I will give you a quick overview of blockchain usage in 4 fields: certifications, governance solutions, risk management and tokenization. And after that video you will be able to use it in your projects, and I guess it will make your solutions more powerful and you will change the world more efficiently, you know. Okay, let me start from the simplest case, certification. This certificate is a real one issued to the winner of the previous open hack 4 months ago. That's actually the example of Certificado, my own project, so it's easy to demonstrate it for you. As you can see, that's a usual certificate, but with a QR code on it. QR code, here you see it. First you can scan it, that's the simplest way to use it, but you can also click on it. Here it is. I will show it to you in Chrome. And so yeah, again, here is a certificate for Annette Horton. And when you click on QR code, you see the validator page for her name. Here it is. You can validate that Annette really does have a certificate, so her certificate is verified. If you have another Horton, another Annette, like Annette Good, this name is not verified in blockchain. So I guess it's the simplest case of blockchain implementation for business. Why is it cool? First, because this validator makes all of the judges see that the certificate is real. So Annette Horton, sorry, I'm sorry, Annette. Annette Horton really won the hackathon, Open Hack 2020. Moreover, judges can go to Blockchain Explorer, to the Waves Explorer, and see the full list of winners, and they can see the date of issuance, like in the May 2020. In the May 2020, there was Bryce Cronin who won the hackathon. So it's fully transparent, and this Waves Explorer, Blockchain Explorer, is a decentralized entity provided by many nodes at the same time, so you cannot hack it. This certificate will be stored there forever. That's cool. Okay, that's the simplest case of blockchain implementation that proves that blockchain can be used to store the data, right? To store it in a secure and transparent way. But it's not only a storage tool, it's a tool for making operations. For example, it's really popular now to make governance models on blockchain. There's even a specific name for this, a DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Let me show it for you. That's my own project as well, MediaDAO, based on Waves and Aragon, 2 different blockchains. Here is the description of it, so if you're interested you can learn more details. But yeah, actually the idea of each DAO is really simple. There is a process. So for example, you need to make a decision, and you need to make all of the stakeholders to vote on it, and DAO is a good tool for this. For now, there is a huge start of mass adoption for DAO and for like governance at all. For example, in Russia, the next elections will be based on blockchain system provided by Waves Enterprise and Rostelecom. The full country will vote using blockchain. and that's really cool. That make it impossible to cheat on voting, and government it proves that everything is clear, so no cheating, and each vote is counted. Okay, so the next field is risk management, and I really like it. I believe that this field is really potential for blockchain adoption. The idea is pretty simple. Risk management is a process when some experts provide risk values for different opportunities. Like for example, this project called RiskRite, I'm leaving link here, enables experts to vote on bugs or on issues, on risks that may appear in Waves ecosystem. In your business, you can use this tool for free, of course for free. You can use this tool to measure risks in your processes. And again, still it's run on blockchain. No one is able to cheat, and all risks are measured in a transparent way. And the last but not least, probably it's my favorite field for tokenization, and yeah, let me just show it to you. I guess you have already thought about what it may be. Here it is. So that's just an example of widget. Crypto payments. The idea is that when you make some purchases in online stores, you can use crypto. You can use your own tokens. Pay with crypto, then you just log in using Waves Exchange. And here you sign a transaction to pay 1 USD in crypto. You may have a question like, where can I issue my own token? The answer is really simple. Just use Waves.exchange. You can issue your own tokens in one click. So you can create, for example, OpenHack token and use it in the hackathon, or you can create a certificates token and use it to purchase certificates in Certificado. That's just an example. Another way to tokenize your processes is to tokenize people relations. And this app is a good example of it. Billy is a tool for Slack, corporate messenger. This one, I guess all of us have seen it. The idea is that using Billy, you can attach payments to each reaction. So in Slack there are reactions in emojis, right? And you can attach that if a person puts the symbol, it means that he's transferring 5 tokens to another one. So, and this tool makes people transfer tokens to each other in inline interface or using emojis, and this motivates teammates, build your team culture, etc. So the idea is that this is thank you tokens. So if you did something interesting for me, for example, I'm a marketing guy and you're a programmer guy, and you build a program for me, I can say thank you to you and send these tokens. And when you have collected many tokens, you can use it to make purchases in the stores. Tokenization. Okay, we just covered 4 fields of blockchain implementation for business: certification, governance solutions, risk management, and tokenization. Actually, 2 types of tokenization. And I really recommend you to learn more about all of them and find a way to implement it to your solution. Because blockchain makes any product more secure and transparent, and moreover it can add interesting features like in Billy. You cannot build crypto mechanics on a centralized server. You need to use blockchain. So many interesting features. You can learn more in the previous video filmed by me to OpenHack 4 months ago. Link is here. Enjoy. It's more detailed, and if you are already feeling that you are ready to start, you feel motivated, just go to that link and enjoy. Thank you very much. I will be grateful if you follow me on Twitter, and see you again. You can find me in the Discord. Still we have a hackathon, Hack for Future. I wish you all luck in changing the world. Thank you.